how to enable and disable and test audio devices in Windows 10. We're going to start off at the desktop screen, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the control panel. So to do that, just go to your magnifying glass or Windows key S, and then just type in control panel. Should pop up after just a couple letters. Go ahead and click on it. And then from here on the control panel screen, you're going to want to click hardware and sound, or you can go ahead and view by large icons. And now I like to go down and click on the sound option. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll open up here with your different playback options. Right now I have my monitor enabled with the sound output. So if we want to disable this, we can right click on it and click disable, and that turns it off. We can click enable, and that turns it back on. And if we want to test it, we can do that as well. Just right click it again, click on test, and you'll notice the little green bar go up and down there, and that's how you know it's being tested. So we can also disable and enable other things. So just so you can hear the test though, I'm going to enable the sound on my Elgato so we can hear. Go ahead and test it. So now you can hear it there. So now I know that it's working properly. Okay. So if I also want to enable multiple devices and select one as the default, I can do that. So I have my gaming headset up here if I want to enable that one so I can hear out of that. You'll notice that both my TV and my headset can play sounds, but right now since the headset is hooked up, it will automatically go to that. If I want to remove that, I can go ahead, go back down to the TV, right click on that, says default device, says default communication device if I want to, or try not to disable it in the process. But says default communication device as well, so if I'm in a chat or I'm talking, that their voice will then come out to the TV as well. And so that is how you enable, disable, and test your audio devices in Windows 10. You can do the same for recording as well. As you can see here, I'm talking right now and the microphone is going up and down. So thank you all for watching, and once again, that was how to enable, disable, and test your audio devices in Windows 10.